Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to enable the two-factor authenticator on Instagram. So the first step is go to the application of Instagram, and after that you need to go to the option of your profile. And here in the superior part your profile, you need to go to the superior right corner. Specifically, you pick here in the bottom of these three lines, and after that you need to pick here in Account Center. So in Account Center, you go to the part of Account Settings, and you pick here in Password and Security. And in Password and Security, you need to put here in Two-Factor Authenticator. So you need to choose the account you want to enable this option. You pick here, and after that you need to choose an option for this process of authenticator. I put this in the text message. You pick in next, and the only two things you need to do is put the phone number you want to the code they send to you, and after that you need to put the code and you complete the process. This is an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.